Hi guys, how are you all doing today? So it's another wonderful week and we're here today for another unpacking session of an order I got from Shopee. Let's begin.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Alright, so before we start, kita mo sa episode 3 sa Game of Thrones. It's pretty intense. The fight scene, the battle scene, wow. And towards the end, you know who can stand out? Si Arya. Which is very nice. So far, murag, aside from katong Battle of the Bastards, murag kani siya ang one of the best episodes so far sa Game of Thrones. Alright, so let's go back to business. So as you all know, or many of you know, last year ni palit ko og external microphone para ma-enhance ang quality sa ato ang audio when we do this vlog. And currently I am using the Boya BY-MM1 external microphone, which is attached sa ato ang vlogging setup right in front of me. So right now, nanasad ko lain nga vlogging accessories that I will share with you guys, and together we will see if nindot pa siya quality, worth it ba sa iyang price. We'll check it out. For the benefit of those dili kay familiar og unsa nang itsura sa external microphone or kanang Boya BY-MM1, so here's the box of the item. So inani iyang picture, and this connects straight to your phone. So I can't show you the actual product kaya akong gigamit today, but mo ni siya guys ang akong napalit way back November during the 11/11 sale. I can remember kay I was in Thailand that time. Alright, so without further ado, we'll start unpacking this item using our scissors. Package with me, and I got the scissors, so let's get through the packaging. Alright, so while doing the cutting, so ang kani siyang item, I ordered this from Shopee, as you all know, and medyo suki na to sa Shopee, and ang original price ani is 335 pesos, but I ordered it for only 200 pesos, and naka-discount pa gyud kay I applied Shopee coins and applied shipping coupon or voucher. So all in all, akong nagastuan ni including the shipping is just 204 pesos. Right, so it's just a small package, and I'm gonna show to you ang sulod sa packaging. And so this is the Andoer lavalier microphone, and we're gonna test it in a few. So let's open through the ziplock. Nagigikan pa din siya China, so took me 7 days to wait aning item. And here na siya adapter accessory, so pani siya we'll use this if imong gamiton ang lapel sa DSLR or sa other camcorders or maybe sa laptop set. And this is the actual item. So this is the microphone, and nasa clip, lapel clip, and nasa wire. So I don't know sa kataas, 2 meters I guess. But we'll test this right now. So karon I'm using the Boya BY-MM1 microphone, and we'll also test if walay external microphone nga gamit. So let's begin. Right now I'm using the Boya BY-MM1 microphone. This is how it sounds. Sound check, 1, 2. Sound check, mic test, 1, 2. This is how it sounds if wala external microphone na naka-attach. Sound check, mic 1, 2, sound check. And right now I'm wearing the lavalier microphone, and let's do the sound check. Sound check, mic 1, 2, sound check. Okay guys, so you judge on which sounds better using the Boya external microphone without any external microphone, or using this lapel mic that I got from Shopee. Again, this is only for 200 pesos, and I think I might be using this more often. Ang katong Boya external microphone more on outdoor nga mga vlogging activities, but most of the time I'm just in a room filming this. So maybe this is the best accessory for me. So what you think, guys? Let me know on the comment section below, and I will also put a link sa akong product review sa Boya microphone. So that's it for this week, and see you again next week. Bye bye.